kitchen. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys. It's so beautiful, beautiful time of the year and beautiful season. Anyway, it is coming up. It is winter, not even coming up. It is winter now. Time changing and it's getting really cold. Basically, I just want to show you guys how you can marinate some jerk chicken for your oven, because what happened, you cannot do it outside in the back garden, or you know what I mean, there's no grill. Time is getting cold, so you can do some jerk chicken with your oven and you still be happy and still be fine. We do similar for that. If you want me to cook the whole recipe, please let me know. I'll write it below if you want me to cook it for you and show you. It's just how to marinate some jerk chicken. Put it into your fridge and you can use it in 24 hours, guys. Get soaked and marinated, bringing a lovely flavor to the chicken, and also you will enjoy it more. You know what I mean? No rush. You're just gonna box up some season and put on it. So guys, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my show and tuning in with Chef Ricardo. Got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo again, guys, again and again and again with Chef Ricardo with the same old good news, good story. You know what I mean? I was in the meat shop today, and when I saw the guy cutting up some chicken, and me and lady I talk about Jamaican jerk chicken, and some people also talk about jerk chicken. I mean, I said to myself, say, I'm winter now, the time I get so cold, you normally can't do no barbecue outside because it's time gets so cold. So basically I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna do some oven jerk chicken and show my fans them how you can marinate it and put it down, make it soak, and then you can put it in the oven the next day. So I said to myself, I should show my fans them, you know what I mean. So I just buy about a kilo and a half of the chicken, 1 kilo or a kilo of chicken, just the leg and thigh, remove the skin, take off some of the fat and wash it off with some lime juice. And it's just beautiful and nice. Here it is. This is the way it look right here, guys. You know what I mean? Because when I go to I like to take off the fat. I like to remove the fat and the skin and wash it off into some lemon juice. That's the best thing. And I just cut up 1 medium-sized white onion, and I'm gonna simply put it on it like this. That's the white onion. And I have some fresh thyme. This is some fresh thyme. I just get some fresh thyme, and I said to myself, I'm gonna put some fresh thyme in here. Just simple. Break it up, because these ones are like the tough one. You kind of simple and break it up like that. Then I have some garlic, which right here, I'm gonna simply cut up my garlic. So if you are a person who live by your own, and you know what I mean, you can do this. Get a 2 pieces of chicken breast and you know, do some jerk chicken in your oven. So I'm gonna put that on it like this, and then I got a large spring onion. Look at it, large and nice, isn't it? Cut it down like this. Cut it up very finely and put it in like. It's really nice to do something totally different sometimes when you're at home. Yeah. So we're gonna put that in the bowl. Just like that. Then I'm gonna put some mixed herb. I got some mixed herb right here. I'm just gonna use my hand and take up a nice little portion like this. Sprinkle upon it, you know? Give it a lovely flavor also. Then I have some all-purpose season. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of the all-purpose season on it. Put a little pinch more, not too much. And then what we're gonna do next, yeah? I got some chicken season. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, not too much. Right here, this is the jerk seasoning I'm using, it already blend, as you can see it in the bottom of it. This is how it look. Alright, if you want to blend up your natural blending seasoning, you can do that, but life is easier, just use this one, jerk seasoning. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my teaspoon and I'm going to take out 1, 2 teaspoons, alright? And I'm gonna put some, I got some either olive oil or vegetable oil. I'm just gonna put some olive oil on there, vegetable oil, whatever you like to use. And just simply put on the gloves like this. See? Because of the pepper, you have to be careful, alright? And just marinate it like this. If you got some paprika, you can put paprika on it. I didn't have any paprika, so I'm just gonna use what I have at the moment. You can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Well soaked and marinated. So if you do this, yeah, and then you put this in your fridge for around 24 hours and do it, and say you're gonna bake this the next day, the flavor and the taste when you get from the chicken, it is amazing, guys. Seriously. If you want me to cook it enough, please write it below and I can do the video of to cook it. I'm not gonna see exactly what I do. If you cook this, just put a piece of greaseproof paper on a tin sheet and cook this for 30 minutes. Gas mark 9 or 8. If you use an electric oven, 175 for 30 minutes on a medium size heat. Yeah. Smell really nice too, you know. Yeah man, this is nice. Look at it. Beautiful. Come have a whole for seasoning it, a natural season to bring off the flavor and a lot of oil to get it marinated and moisture it up, you know what I mean? Yeah, nice one. So if you like the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments below. And as I want to say, the jerk season have a lot of stuff in it already. Whole heap of seasoning in it. So basically, if you like it, please leave your comments below and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching my show. Jerk chicken in the oven for winter. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.